In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an Excel spreadsheet so that when you scan data or track data, it drops down. It goes left to right and then drops down to the next row. So go ahead and open up Excel, hit the space bar on this video to pause it, and once Excel's open, hit the space bar again to continue the video. All right, now that Excel is open, click on File, click on New, select Blank Workbook. I'm going to open a new workbook. All right, new workbook's open. Start with column A and enter your first column header. We'll do asset tag, and column B, we're going to go ahead and do serial number. All right, so those are our two columns. We're going to want to scan these, but you can see, oh no, it's going left to right. We're going to want to scan data just into these two columns. So to do that, we're going to select column A. We're going to hold down our shift key. We're going to select column B. And then we're going to right click on the header column. We're going to click Format Cells. Dialog box will come up. It's probably going to be on number. Select the tab that says Protection, and then where it says Locked, we're going to unlock these cells. All right, so these two rows of data are now unlocked. All right, and next thing we're going to do is come up here to Review, click on Review, and we're going to protect the sheet. Now this is the overall workbook. It says allow all users of this worksheet to select lock cells, select unlock cells. Well, we just unlock columns A and B, so we want to be able to select unlock cells. So go ahead, remove the check mark from the top one, select lock cells. All right, okay. So with clicking OK, we've now locked every other cell on this worksheet except for columns A and B, where we can now enter data and enter serial numbers, X, Y, Z. And as you hit enter, you'll see that you'll be dropping down. Okay, let's say you're out in the field and you need to add another column. But you can't. You can't click out. Everything's protected, so you can't do anything. You can't modify the font. You can't make it look good. You can't do anything, add columns until you unprotect. So again, go to the Review tab, click Unprotect. All right, and then let's enter our new column. So we'll do model, right? Okay, so now we have model. Um, what we want to do now is select again. Every time you add a column, you're going to have to do this. All right, select all three. Okay, shift and left, right click on it, format cells again, and then go to protection again. This time, instead of it being checked, you're going to see there's a little box. And what that tells you is that some of your rows or some of your selection is already locked and some of it is unlocked. What we want to do is we want to unlock all three of these, because what we're doing is we're protecting the entire workbook. But after we're protecting it, we're telling it, allow us to enter data into unlocked cells. So unlock those, click it twice. You don't want to check mark there, hit OK. And now you should be able to enter data in your new cell as well. Serial number, model number, then click enter. Oh, oh, still going to the right. Why is it still going to the right? Because we didn't protect it. So go back. Okay, clear out your data here. Select A through C. Once again, now click protect data. All right. Again, you don't have to do anything this time. Just hit OK. All right. And now you got, whoa, 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 whoa. These are supposed to be me barcode scanning, but pretending I'm scanning. Beep, beep. I'm scanned that. Okay. And now all your model numbers and everything are back here. And then it's going to drop down to the next one, and to the next one, and to the next one, and to the next one. Okay. It didn't keep going there because I wasn't entering data, but the more, if you enter data, it'll keep going, right? So no matter what you want to do, before you can even do it, you need to unlock or unprotect the sheet. Any modifications you want to do, any changes, come to Review and unprotect the sheet. Okay. Now with it unprotected, I want to show you this one other thing real quick. As you're scanning data, if you find that it keeps going to the right, let's say you just wanted to do asset tags one day or something, right? And you want it to go down, 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 down instead of to the right. Well, to change that, follow me here. Go to File. Go down to the bottom where it says Options, click on Options, click on Advanced, and then under Editing Options, after pressing Enter, move selection direction right, left. Yours is probably set to down already, but if you need to change it to right, you can do that here. If you need to change it to down, you can do it here, up, left, whatever. So what this is telling it is after I enter something, I want the selection to then go down. All right? So if you see while you're out there in the field, if it starts going down like that, but you need it to go to the right, do the same thing. Come back over here to File, go down to Options, you're familiar with it now, and go to Advanced, and change that to the right. Don't go down, go to the right, right? Okay, once again, let's see how it works again. So as you enter data, now it's going back to the right. Okay. Oh, we didn't protect our sheet. Look, it went to column D. Once again, got to protect the sheet. Protected. Boom. Okay. Boom. That's how you do it. That's how you that's how you get it to scan, you know? Left to right, up and down. I could probably have made this look a little bit cleaner, but it's trying to keep it under 3 minutes. It was really difficult. But yeah, there you go. Maybe it's a little easier to see it that way. Again, I just made changes. What do I do after I make changes? Protect the sheet. Once I hit that, hit OK. OK, I said tag. You only have to set up the protected sheet one time, right? Only to make changes do you need to do that. So you got your model numbers, and then see, it's going to keep on going. There you go.